Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab M8 4th Gen, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by going into Settings and scrolling all the way down to access the Google section. Now tap on Autofill. Autofill with Google, and continue in Autofill with Google pop-up. Following that, you can tap on Google Password Manager. And now, if you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one, so to fix it, click on this gear next to Password Manager. Then make sure that Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled, log into any app, and tap on Save in Autofill pop-up. This way, your password will appear over here, and you will be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, click on this plus next to Search Passwords. Then enter any website, or click on Select App and tap on the chosen one. Following that, input your username, email, or phone number, password, and if you wish to, take some helpful notes. When you finished, click on Save at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!